good day, Ma'am Leoriza. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Layarisa Arcega Quizon. I'm 34 years old.
All right. And then, do you have any kids?
Yes, I have two kids.
All right. Then, what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I am single with two kids.
All right. Please tell me your educational background.
I am a high school graduate.
All right. Then, where do you live?
I live in Manginogapan City, Nueva Ecija.
Okay. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have a one sibling and I'm the youngest.
Okay. Then, how would you describe yourself?
I am a kind, loyal, and loving mother.
Okay. Then, why do you want to apply abroad?
Um, for the better future for my children and my family.
Okay. So, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I am working in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper.
Okay. For how many years?
4 years.
Okay. Did you finish your contract there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, please tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia.
I'm a duty ironing, washing clothes, washing dishes, cooking, and take care of the baby.
All right. So, did you take care newborn baby or toddler?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, for the last question, Ma'am Leoriza, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
My message to my future employer, ma'am, sir, if you give me a chance to work for you, I will do my best and I will take care of your family and I will loving your family and I promise I promise to finish my contract. I hope to see you soon.